Before using an OmniDesk, I was my YouTube friends. If you want to add your phone screen or camera to your OBS live stream, it's super easy and free to actually do it. Today I'm going to show you how. Don't worry, it's really easy. So you know what? It's all a free app. It's going to add our phone screen to OBS. It's called Prism Lens. There is a link in the description so you can download it and follow along. That is the best way to learn. So let's install Prism Lens. So we're going to go to this page, and the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and just hover over this and click download for the Windows version. And you can see it comes up here. It's downloading. It's already done. Super tiny program, really easy to use. And we just have to go into our downloads and we click Prism Lens Setup. And this is going to take us to an administrative prompt. Then you want to make sure that you select English or whatever language you want to use, and then just click Install. And there we go. We're done. We can click Start. It will start up the app automatically. And we can log in with any of our stuff, and I'll just use my Google account, and there we go. You can see it automatically picks a camera that you're going to use if you have a camera on your system. If you're going to use your cell phone camera, then it may not pick anything, but now it's installed. We're going to quickly install the app on the phone because obviously we have to have something on the phone. It's going to connect to Prism Lens on our computer. So all we have to do is go into our App Store, or you could be using Google Play, and we're going to click the search, and all we have to do is type Prism, P-R-I-S-M, and search, and let's see. It is the one with the little triangle, and mine says update because it's already on here. Yours is going to say get. Just click get and install it on your system. Super simple. I'm going to go ahead and just update mine because why not? And then once you're done, you can just click open. It will automatically open the app, and here we are. Now that it's installed, let me show you how it works and how you can add your phone screen or your phone camera to any live stream. All right, so we got the phone here, got our computer with our Prism Lens over here. So how do we add our phone screen or camera? Well, it's pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and we're going to drop this down right here, and we're going to do connect Prism Mobile. Now, when we're in Prism right here, all we have to do is go ahead and scan our code, and then we get some options. And those options are camera, screen, or VTuber. I did a video on VTuber before. We're not going to cover that here. We are going to cover camera and screen. So let's connect our camera first. And now we are connected. All I have to do is go ahead and select our front camera. There we go. We're totally connected. So we have this camera in here. Now you can use this just like you would any other Prism camera, which means we can remove the background on this. If we wanted to add a green screen, we can go and click the plus here, and I can just add a green screen to this. And this green screen background is just a file that I created that has a green background. And there we go. So I've added it here. It is selected. We can go back to our original if we want, but we can also do that. So we're just going to go with the original for now so that you can see how to use this camera. And it's quite simple to add it to OBS. The next thing I'm going to do, we're going to go with Prism Lens 2, and we're going to go to connect Prism Mobile, and we'll do it again. We're going to just disconnect, and I'm going to go ahead and scan again. This time we're going to go with screen, and then we're just going to click connect. And you can see it's giving me a problem because I'm actually recording the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording, and then we're going to go back and we're going to connect again. And then it just says Prism Live. I'm going to click Start Broadcast, and it's going to broadcast our screen. So once it's all set up, this is what you're going to see. This is the broadcast. You can see the microphone on over in the right. We're all set. We're ready to go. So now we can just flip off of this screen and go to whatever screen we want. So if we have some games on our phone or whatever we might have, we can put those on. So we'll just go into games, and there we go. So now we have our game loaded up. So how do we add this to our live stream? Well, it's really pretty simple. So we're going to go ahead and open up OBS Studio, and now we have OBS Studio open. And you can see this is just your basic scene. How do we add this camera? We're going to go ahead and click the plus, and we're going to go to video capture device. And we can call this phone cam or phone screen.